Hi everyone, I am about to do an unboxing of some travel goodies that I bought, and my friends are in the room but they're staying quiet, and it's gonna be super awkward for me because I'd rather just talk to them because they're actually here. But I hope that you watch it and I hope you enjoy, because I know for me, before I ordered these products, I was like looking at YouTube videos and I thought I'd describe the things that I ordered and what I like about them and why I ordered them, and I'm very excited to break it in. So let's go. Is this a good width? I hope so. I have my dogs in the room as well. So I ordered Shay Mitchell's travel accessories called BEIS, B-E-I-S, and I was convinced to order them because I had listened to her Second Life podcast interview, and she was just talking about why she was inspired to create these goods and why she thought that she had to design them for herself. And I liked the way that she described it. And the one thing that really convinced me is whenever I buy new things, I'm afraid to get it dirty. But she was like, you know what, when you go travel, just get it dirty, make your mark, and remember where you've been. So I went and decided to be bold with my choices, and I got some beige base travel accessories. Okay, so this is the first thing that I definitely knew I wanted. It's really cute with the plastic packaging. It says, "Get lost, find yourself, repeat." All right. Low-key, that is my fear. I hate getting lost, and I always have directions, and I always have a plan. You can ask my husband. But I got the one that is the Cosmetic Case. It's called the Cosmetic Case. The details, cool. The way that it's set up, it has the beautiful Shay Mitchell on the tag. And what I like about it is it's structured. It has a little handle like this. So this is the size of my head, and this is the size of the Cosmetic Case. Okay. The retail value, I believe, is $48. Oh. My dog is moving this thing right now because he's trying to get his bone, and I'm not letting him. No. Lay down. No. Okay. Being so rude. He was trying to chew on it and I was going to let him while I was making this video. Toby, do not. Okay, so I have to, okay, actually I'm just gonna leave this on for now. And let's look at this detailing. It has base here, and she spells it, like I said, B-E-I-S. Is it focused? I hope so. But removable compact mirror and brush holder for touch-ups, easy to clean up for mishaps. Zipper pocket for organizing. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up, and when I unzip it, oh wait, I can't. I need scissors. I'll be back. Got my scissors. Okay, so I'm going to cut it. You need to cut it. Okay, I'm opening it for the first time. I know she talked about how she took time to pick her zippers and everything, and they're very smooth. Yes, there's nothing more annoying than trying to open something and it won't open up. So far, like the zipper. Opening it up, it looks like this. Okay, so the structure is strong. There's a cardboard piece to hold the structure, I think, when the packaging, but there's still a strong structure to it. And there's a little pocket that's transparent, and this is where you could put the brushes. It has a deep inside, and you could also probably put things in right here. And with this zipper, you open it up, and it has the base mirror. So I remember watching the video where she talked about how it was ideal for her to have a bigger mirror that she can carry around with her when she's on a plane, constantly on the go. It's really lightweight. Cool. And you could just place it out like this. Love it. And from the pictures that I saw, you're supposed to actually put the mirror inside. Can it fit? Will it fit? Yes, fits perfectly. How cool is that? And this, oh, okay. So I remember also her talking about how she decided to make a brush holder that you could remove because there's nothing more annoying than having to flip it open, because that's what my other makeup carry-on case does. You could also put things in the zipper afterwards if the mirror is not there. And it looks like there's magnet holders here. So the magnets actually connect to a magnet here, and that's how it stays on. Cool. Yeah, so that's why it'll stay on. I'm about it. And I remember seeing the video that she made where there's a flap here to hold it for sanitary reasons. And I like that too because I have a carry-on makeup bag already, but it doesn't have this cover, so I know that the brushes are like touching different things, and I think this will definitely keep my makeup brushes cleaner and more sanitary. So far, love it. Oh, and on this other side, across from the mirror, there's also little mini pockets. And honestly, if you didn't want to carry around your brushes, and it says brushes here, you could totally remove it. Take out the mirror if you don't want to. Maybe put a picture of your dog here that you love, and then put in different things you want to pack and travel with it out and about. Yay! Love this much. Has a little logo here too. It's sturdy. Okay, highly recommend. Second item that I got, I definitely don't have a travel backpack, and I was debating between this travel backpack or another weekender that she has. But the thing is about weekenders is I'm a huge backpack person, and I saw pictures of these, but I didn't know exactly how big it would be, and I'm really glad I got it because it's going to be really practical, and I have at least 4 trips planned where I'll be riding a plane, and I thought this is the item that I need. I also wanted to include the reason why I also didn't get the weekender is because it's big enough, but it wouldn't be a personal carry item. I already have my luggage. No. What was I gonna say? It would pretty much be the carry-on that has to go above your seat, and I already have a carry-on I always carry on, so I would need a personal item that I could put below in front of me, and that's why I chose the backpack over the weekender. I need. It comes with another bag, a plastic bag that says get lost, find yourself, repeat. I shall. So I was telling my friend that there was another backpack that I was interested in getting from Low & Sons, but the reason why I didn't is because I have dogs that have like white hair that gets on all my clothes, and even with the material that I got for Low & Sons, I could tell that the dog hair would just show, but this one, it has like a canvas feel to it, and honestly, it has like an oatmeal, different pebbled colors, so if I were to get it dirty, I really wouldn't mind. This is my favorite part about it, is that I could hoop it into my suitcase, thing. So you could just, otherwise you're just putting it around your backpack. This is how it would look. Total power. Just kidding. Details, padded shoulder pads for comfort. It feels pretty comfortable. I'll have to let you know how it feels after a long ass trip, but padded shoulder straps for comfort. Padded laptop compartment for safety, elastic 4-point straps for holding clothing in place, lay flat opening for ease, and a water resistant lining. Okay, so if you look at it like this, there's 2 zippers. So what I will do is, I'm gonna open this first one. This is supposed to be the laptop zipper. I could feel the padding, it's very lightweight. I think they did a really good job making this backpack lightweight, because some travel bags, I know they're trying to protect all your things, but it's just too heavy. And when it's heavy and you put other things in it, it's just too heavy. This one is the perfect weight. It also has BEIS here imprinted within the material. I'm gonna open the second one. This is where all your other compartments are supposed to go. And it opens flat out. Flat out. How dope is this? And when you open it like this, the first one, there's a zipper. I can imagine like you can put whatever you want in here, but if I were to only take my backpack and not take a suitcase, I could imagine putting my like underwear or like my socks here, because it feels like a delicates bag. And then if I had other things I wanted to find quickly, it has that see-through pocket. And just like suitcases, it actually has this thing where you could unbuckle it and hold down your things. That was genius. A backpack that lays out straight. Haven't seen one. Don't have one. Well, didn't. Now I do. This is the mega pocket in the front. Honestly, when I first saw this, I was like, that's a hella big pocket up front. Why is that necessary? Well, I thought if it's comparable to, you know, when you're trying to decide whether you should get a weekend or a backpack, this can do a lot. It can fit a lot of things. This pocket's hella big, but you can also put like your toothbrush here or something, maybe some pens, and then there's another deep pocket here, and there are 2 water bottle holders on the side. 1 water bottle, 2 water bottle, maybe an umbrella. The question is, will it fit my 32-ounce Swell bottle? Because that's what I've been taking around, that's what I've been drinking. I'll be right back because I need to bring it and we'll test it out. I'm back. And I brought 2 of my water bottles. This is my Swell. I don't quite know the ounces this is, but I know this is 32 ounce and this is less than that. So maybe I'll put it on the screen. But this is the backpack, and honestly, because my Swell, not my Swell, did I call this my Swell? Damn it, I meant Hydro Flask. So I have a Swell, but I've been drinking my Hydro Flask because it has the straw. And ideally, I'd like to carry this around. Let's see if this pocket will hold a 32 ounce, okay? I don't think it will. I was right, it doesn't. It won't. So this is just to let you know, if you have a 32 ounce flask, it's not gonna go in there. It will go inside the backpack, but for the water bottle that you carry around with your backpack, you'll just have to put it inside the main pocket. Now for the Swell bottle, I'm just gonna look it up. I think this is a 17 ounce. So the 17 ounce, let's see. If this doesn't go in, I'm like definitely trying to put it in there. Because of the way the material is, it's a little difficult at first, but it fits. 17 ounce, it fits in here. And it should be even on the other side as well. Yeah, the 17 ounce fits. 32 ounce does not fit. Let's try again. However, maybe I was wrong. I have a feeling it will fit. Maybe I just needed to, maybe not. Because I'll fast forward this part of the video. No. Okay, so this will fit a 17 ounce bottle. I wonder if it says it on the website. I didn't share it before, but this backpack is $62. And it also comes in black. So if you're someone who, you know, is afraid of getting things dirty and you're not worried about white dog hair, then definitely the black one looks chic too. But yeah, I am really happy with my purchase and I can't wait to use it. And I'll probably talk about it in future videos as I travel. And who knows where else the world will take me. But I really recommend that you check out BEIS and support Shay Mitchell because she is a strong woman entrepreneur. And I love that she stands for not just being an Asian American woman, but a woman in general who has been told that she was just a pretty face and she couldn't do everything if she wanted to. And she was like, forget you, we're gonna do all that and more. With your purchases, it also supports Girl Up. For us, doing good is as important as looking good when it comes to the bucket list, which is why we support Girl Up, to empower and educate girls around the globe. This United Nations Foundation supports programs promoting the health, safety, education, and leadership of girls in developing countries, having impacted the lives of more than 80,000 girls worldwide. We're proud to help the next generation of women by be ready to change the world. I'll include the links in the description below if you want to check out this stuff. Very affordable, and you'll definitely get enough mileage on these goods. Check it out, and I hope that this was helpful. Bye!